Grandpa, this is the best hug ever! I love you, Grandpa!
I love you both so much.
That's what I was saying.
You two are so beautiful together.
It's my turn. I saw the red ball first. I like it, Susie.
Oh dear.
Come here, my little ones.
We love you, Grandpa.
And I love you both so much.
You're the best.
You make my heart so happy. And my dear grandchildren, I have a special surprise for you today, Tom. What is it, Grandpa?
These are magic sticks.
They glow with wonder and adventure. Who storms the Bingnans lie.
I'm gonna open it.
Easy now, little one. It's stronger than it looks.
You're so strong.
Go on, try to open it.
I'm trying. It's so tough.
That's it.
Whoa, it's magic. It's not breaking.
Some things are stronger than they look.
Wow, Rain.
Now watch this, my dears.
Be careful, Grandpa. Whoa, you did it so easily.
See, when we're together, the magic shines brightest.
Yeah. Yes. Grandpa, it's so beautiful. Can we hug you, Grandpa?
Of course, my dears.
Group hug. I love you, Grandpa.
I love you both so much. My favorite part of the day.
Spin us, Grandpa. Faster.
Hold on tight, my little ones. Oh, we are stronger together.